Hi everybody, welcome to week 1, IDS 300, Introduction to Interdisciplinary Studies. The first thing I want you to look at this week is the course syllabus. The course syllabus is the outline of everything we're going to be doing over the next 5 weeks, things that you'll be covering, and the deliverables. And at the beginning of each week, we'll do a video very similar to this one, where in addition to the stuff on the syllabus, I'll be talking to you about the things that we're doing, keeping an eye on some deadlines, and giving you some things to think about. So this week, I want you to know that things move pretty quickly. Every week, you'll have a series of reading assignments. You'll have a journal assignment where you will write 2 to 3 paragraphs reflecting on what you have read for the week. In addition to a journal assignment, there'll also be a discussion board assignment where I'll pose an open-ended question and you're required to respond to that. And lastly, but certainly not least, every week we'll have a quiz. The quiz will consist of 3 to 5 open-ended questions that you'll respond to, and that'll give me an idea if you're getting the material, reading the material, and how you're synthesizing the stuff that we're going over for the week. So let's focus on week 1. This week you're going to be reading 6 different articles. You should know by now there's no textbook. Everything you need for the course is on the course Blackboard site. Make sure you look at course documents and all the reading materials. So you'll read these 6 articles this week, then you'll journal. Now here's the thing about the journaling. Even though you read 6 different articles this week, I want you to pick one article and journal on it. Now make sure you pay attention to the syllabus because it'll explain to you what I'm looking for in the journal. In addition to that, there'll be 1 or 2 discussion board questions based on the reading this week. And lastly, but certainly not least, will be the quiz. Now, this is important, access to the journals, access to the discussion board, and access to the quiz. You must complete them absolutely by midnight Saturday of each week, because when Saturday midnight comes, I'm going to disable the link. So make sure that you're on top of the ball. Lastly, but certainly not least, you'll notice in the syllabus, in this course, you have a required research paper. The details of what you're to write on, how long the paper is, the format, the style of the paper, all very clear here in the paper. The research, in the syllabus, the research paper is due the very last day of the course. That's June 27. Now you may be sitting here thinking, June 27, that's going to be almost 5 weeks. It'll be here like that, so stay on top of it. As you read through the material, you look at the syllabus, you start into the readings, you kind of get your feet on the ground. If you have any questions, email me, call me, you can text me. I'm here so that you will be successful. I hope you get a lot out of the course. I've spent considerable time putting these materials together to give you a solid introduction to the field of interdisciplinary studies, and looking particularly at 2 different disciplines. That's the intersection between art and law. And we'll take it from there. Also, I want to tell you that there are some videos that I've put out there that in the course material that will elucidate or clarify some of the topics we've been talking about. They're not required for you to watch, but they are very helpful. In addition to videos, there's some PowerPoint stuff. So good luck. I'm looking forward to working with you in the next 4 or 5 weeks, and I'll be seeing you next week. Thanks.